Broiler slaughtering equipment. Transport and hanging unit. The broilers are transported in cages from farm to processing and shifted to a hanging position by conveyor. The stainless steel conveyor operates on a velocity of 2 to 20 meters per minute using electromagnetic, inverter, or mechanical controls for belt, flat-top chain, or stainless steel roller conveyors. At the work position, broilers are hung on an overhead conveyor. Empty cages then track to a cage washer for disinfection. The poultry cage washer is comprised of a washing chamber, debris separator, water tank, high-pressure pump, and conveyor mechanism. A heat exchanger provides heat for the tank, and water is sprayed under high pressure, cleaning and disinfecting the broiler cages. Effective control of water during the process ensures that broiler cages can be cycled without cross-contamination. Scalding and plucking unit. Broilers on the overhead conveyor are transported through sequential processing. The overhead conveyor operates automatically, moving the broilers through full processing at a set velocity to ensure complete and proper processing. If the delivery distance exceeds 130 meters, 2 or more motors may be used to ensure maintenance of optimal velocity. The shackles are made of stainless steel for easy maintenance of food sanitation standards. An automatic washer operates as part of the process. Generally, broilers are electrically stunned before processing. The correct use of this procedure humanely eliminates flapping and twisting that might damage wings. Subsequent steps ensure blood is completely drained during the process. The alternating current stunner is designed to work by integrating a decline in the rail conveyor that carries the broiler heads under the water, at which point the stun is triggered. Electric voltage and frequency are adjustable. Seconds after being stunned, the broilers are moved to the killing position. Broilers are manually slaughtered. The slaughtered birds will be drained of blood in 3 to 5 minutes. The chickens are then transported for scalding in hot water. Proper and thorough use of this process significantly affects the plucking result. It is designed using air-created turbulence. The equipment has a closed cabin to minimize vapor loss and a heat exchange system to prevent broiler bodies from damage that might be caused by direct contact with steam. The hot water inside the trough is agitated by air from specially designed nozzles of the blower system. Water temperature is adjusted electronically according to requirements of different broiler varieties. A water control device is installed to reduce water consumption. These scalders are available in 2 models, offering a choice of 2 or 3 rails in the trough. On your request, units can be sequenced to allow for your business expansion. The scalder is noted for efficient structure and precise control. The scalded broilers move on to feather plucking. It's also critical that the technique of plucking be in conformity with the broiler variety, product specifications, size, and capacity. The plucker is completely adjustable to your processing requirements. The A-frame type feather plucker is comprised of a drive unit, box height adjustment, and sprinkling and guiding mechanism. On both sides of the unit, there is an adjustable box where broiler feathers are plucked. The box is easily adjusted and cleaned and provides for easy replacement of the rubber finger. Gear is noted for stable performance, low noise, and low failure rate. Feather plucking efficiency can reach 98%. Evisceration unit. The broiler carcasses are rehung on the overhead conveyor for transportation to the evisceration area. Broilers can be eviscerated automatically or by a semi-automatic machine. In order to reduce costs and increase yield, broiler evisceration is completed by hand. A fully automatic unit is currently under development. The process of evisceration includes head cutting, craw pulling, vent cutting, vent opening, evisceration, the quarantine test, inside and outside washing, and inspection. Vertical, movable nozzles are used to flush the inside of the broiler. Fixed nozzles are used to wash the outside. The chicken carcasses are washed clean with significantly reduced bacteria. Chilling unit. As microbes may grow rapidly inside the broiler carcasses due to temperature increase during scalding for feather plucking, broilers must be chilled before cutting. Broiler chilling can be accomplished by cold air, cold water pool, or a screw-driven chilling machine. Water chilling is effective for the products that absorb less water or after a high or medium temperature scalding process. This method is also suitable for deep frozen products. However, we strongly recommend the screw chiller method. In the screw chiller, the water flows counter to the direction in which the products are conveyed. The screw chiller is made up of a water tank, the driving unit, and an air blower. Cold water or ice flakes are used for cooling the broiler carcasses to a temperature of 6 to 8 degrees centigrade. This screw chiller complies with sanitation standards and features convenient cleaning and maintenance. Chilled carcasses are then transported to a dehydrator or placed on overhead conveyors to allow excess water to drip off. Cutting area. The chilled broilers are manually hung on the overhead conveyor. An online weighing and grading system grades the broilers and unloads selected broilers from the overhead conveyor at specified locations. Butchering is completed manually, including cutting of breasts and backs, removal of wings, drumsticks, and thighs, and the inner fillet. The skeleton is then transported to a collection area. Belt conveyors are installed in the cutting room alongside stainless steel tables where the separation, cutting, boning, and trimming are completed. The belt conveyor is integrated with automatic washing and sanitation. Overhead conveyors transport the product to the packing room. Belt conveyors transport the bagged products through a metal detector. Disposal of intestines. The broiler intestines, feet, and gizzards are conveyed to designated areas. The rough skin on the broiler feet is mechanically removed. The broiler gizzards are mechanically defatted and internally cleaned. The finished products are transported to a blast freezing room for IQF and then moved to the cold storage room.